One of the trends I see is what we might call channel envy. You have lots of brands that have decided that they now want to be retailers. I don't know whether it's Apple's success. It surely isn't the margins. But they decide that they want to engage and be in the retail space. At the same time, you have many retailers that have decided that they need to become brands. One of the things that's very clear over the long term is that most retailers have been lousy at branding. There's a few exceptions to the point, maybe Trader Joe's, a little bit with Target. Otherwise, why would they be called Target? But generally speaking, we've had this separation between the two levels in the channel. What I see happening going forward is a lot more commingling. It will require that brands learn to be sensitive to retailers in a different way because they're also going to the market. At the same time, it will require for retailers to be sensitive to brands, but also to develop some skill sets that they currently don't have. In the future, maybe we'll have more conflict, maybe we won't, but my guess it is from the consumer's perspective, they're going to be a lot better off. What I see happening is really the age of relevance, and part of it just has come about because of the web. And what I see is that relevance begets relevance. So right now, if you want to be an advertiser, consumers expect you to be relevant. They don't want you to waste their time. Okay? Google delivers up self-initiated search results where the entire enchilada is simply about being relevant. Consumers learn to be relevant. And what I think is very interesting is that Google has set up some rules of the game which encourage advertisers to also be relevant. So Google wants to be relevant, consumers want to be relevant, and advertisers, it's in their best interest to be relevant. What I think is going to happen is that this particular channel is going to change, be a game changer, and if you're not relevant, you're irrelevant. And in the past, that hasn't been the case.